Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Guys, today's video we are going to discuss about the iron fly strategy, and we have already shared lots of strategy in our playlist. We have already created English playlist, lift option strategy English. So if you want to watch English strategy in option strategy in English language, you can go through with this playlist. You will watch lots of strategy we have shared with adjustment also. Guys, this strategy I have already shared in Hindi language before last week, so lots of people were asking to share this strategy in English language as well, so everyone can learn. So that's why I'm going to share this strategy in English language as well. So guys, make sure watch full video till the end, because I'm going to discuss one by one all these things. First of all, we'll discuss what is iron fly strategy, how to create iron fly, and if market goes up and touch our break even point, how to adjust our upside and how to adjust downside. And moreover, we will also discuss about the when we need to use this strategy and when we don't need to use this strategy. So guys, make sure you like, if you like the video, make sure you like the like button as well. So guys, let's discuss this strategy. Let me open that website opstar.defineedge.com. Here we will discuss our strategy. So guys, this is options. Let me select, and for iron fly strategy, what we need to do, we need to short at the money, call and put. Here you can see the spot price, it's 11,900 somewhere, so we will consider is 11,900. So 11,900 we need to short, call and put both, which make it short straddle. But we will buy the hedge as well, so this strategy become iron fly. So guys, I have shorted call and put. You can see I have short one call and one put both, so this become short straddle. But what we need to do, we need to buy one hedge as well. See, upper side break even is 11,295, so we will consider as 11,300, and to the downside 11,500. So we need to buy one hedge at 11,500 and one hedge at 11,300. So we need to buy 11,500 put, buy, and 12,300 call. So guys, this is the strategy iron fly. It's also similar to if you make it call butterfly, put butterfly. But in call butterfly you will only short only, you will play with the calls only, and in put butterfly you will play only with put. But in the iron fly you will short, call and put both, and we will need to hedge our position with call and put as well. So guys, in this you can see the probability here is 38.43 and maximum profit 20,000 and maximum loss is 9,600. So our downside is protected. Doesn't matter market where is how much is going up, how much is going down, so doesn't matter, our maximum loss is defined already. And this is the green area where we will make our profit, and this is the in between, you can see here, this is the area where we will make our maximum profit. This is the iron fly strategy, and mostly people use it in the when VIX is under 15. Then mostly people use it for 45 days or 30 days. Then people make it when their premium is high. So this is the normal strategy. But in case if market is going up, so this is just for one lot. Okay, if someone made 10 lot, 20 lot, so they don't want to lose, they don't want to pay for loss. Okay, so how to adjust for the upside? So I will show you how to adjust for the upside now. So guys, here you can see now our new break even point is 12,172, and to the downside our break even is 11,628. So we have created our short straddle at 11,000. We have created our position at 11,900, but now our break even is 12,172. If we minus 12,172 minus 11,900, this is somewhere around 372 points. So we will consider as 350 point. So what we need to do now, so for upside break even, if we adjust our position to the upside, market is going up and near our break even point somewhere around 12,100 or 120, so we need to adjust to the upside. So what we need to do here, how we will adjust now. So here you can see guys, 12,172 minus 11,900 which make it 372 points. So we will consider as 350 point. So next we need to add 350 point in this number 12,172. 12,172 plus 350 which make it for 200 and 12,500. So our next iron fly strategy we need to create at 12,500. So 12,500 we need to sell one call. Here we need to sell one put as well. So just check the total premium, how much we are getting. 596 plus 25 we will consider as 600 point. So now we need to hedge our position. We need to buy 600 point for one call, which make it 13,100. We need to buy one call here, and we need to minus 600 point from 12,000, which make it 11,900. We have already shorted 11,900 here, so we will not buy this one. We will buy 11,950. If it is coming on same price, because now premium is too high, that's why it is coming. That's why we can see premium is too much high for the PA, but when you reach at 12,150, premium will be less for this one, and for the call it will for call it will be high. So we will consider as 11,950. 11,950. Going to buy put to hedge our position. So guys, you can see the new payoff graph as of now. So this is actually, here we are getting lots little premium is a bit high, and for the call it's low. That's why it's showing this kind of graph. Or else when you create this strategy and do the adjustment, I will show you how it will look like. Let me show you. It will look like little bit like this, and this is your break even line. Here is up, this is all your profit area, and here you will make maximum profit. This area you will make also maximum profit. This will also, here you will make profit, but it will be less. So here you can see the and it's like almost similar, but because we are not reached at that point of a break-even point of the upside, that's why it is a bit different. But I have shown you already, it will look like this. So guys, now you can see our break-even point of the upside. Before it was around 12,100, but now it is 12,783. So this is how you can adjust your position to the upside, but break even to the from the below side as well. Before it was around something else, now it has increased to the upside as well. So this is how we adjust to the upside. So this is how we need to adjust to the position over to the upside. And now we will discuss how we will adjust to the downside. Let me remove all this thing. So this is our normal iron fly strategy. So here you can see the break even 11,628. How many point far from 11,900? So we can consider it as 300 point to make it simple. Okay, so from just to deduct 300 point from this one, 11,368, so which make it 11,300. So next, to the downside we need to sell 11,300. If you are doing adjustment to the downside, but 11,300 call we need to short. First we need to put short, call and put we need to short. So this is how we have short our call and put both. How much premium we are getting? 678 plus 44, somewhere around 700 point. So we need to buy our hedge to 700 point far from this 11,300, so which make it 12,000, and to the downside 10,700, and let me buy call 12,000. And we need to buy put sorry, 10,600 into buy. So guys, this is how your payoff graph look like, but this is not correct payoff graph because the premium is totally different. That's why it's showing. But you can, that time you will get less premium, but you can adjust, you can easily adjust your position to the downsides. Here you can see your break even has before it was around 11,000. Somewhere around 600, but it has come down to 10,877. It has come too much, but because the premium is too high, that's why it's around 11,000, 10,877. But when market will come to that point of your break even, premium will be different. So but you can easily adjust your position, and 10,000 it will somewhere around 11,100 too, but you will get enough point to your positions. So this is how you can, so to the downside as well, it will be similar to like this. So let me make one more so that it become easy for you guys. Your position will look like this, and here we have short, this is 11,900 and this is 11,300. so your position, this will be 11, this is your 11,900, and this is your 11,300. So in here you will make your maximum profit, here you will make your maximum profit. In this area also you will make profit, that will but that will be little bit less. This is all your profitable area, this is all your profitable area. So guys, this is the iron fly strategy, and I have already showed you how to adjust your position in iron fly. So I hope you guys will like this video. If you have any question regarding this video, how to adjust or something else, you can ask me in comment box. I will make sure to reply as soon as possible. And also the most important question is when to use this strategy. So what is the benefit and what is the drawback of this strategy? So when I was it's better to play with this strategy in the long term, like VIX is around under 16-17, VIX is under 17, there is no too much volatility in the market, and then you can use this strategy for the 30 days or 45 days. It will work better because you have little bit bigger range and you can easily adjust your position. If you are trying this strategy for the weekly, you can try in weekly. I have tried lots of time, but the problem is if there is big gap up or gap down, that is the problem with this strategy. Suppose you have a break even. Here you can see it's 12,000, around 12,000 you have a break even, and the market has closed somewhere around 11,900, and you will think if market will gap up 50-60 point, tomorrow you will do the adjustment. Suppose market gap up 300 point, 400 points, that is the problem. Then you will lose your money, because you have already missed your break even point and adjustment point. That will make problem, but that point you will not make maximum loss because your maximum loss is already defined in the strategy. But that time also you can adjust your position, but the problem with the position will be your payoff graph will look like something difficult, something different like this. Your payoff graph will be like this. This is your profit, this is your profit, this area will be in loss because you have already missed your adjustment point. That's the problem with this strategy. If there is gap up and gap down, then if you have missed your break even point, then it's a bit difficult to manage your position, and this area you will make loss. Here you will make profit, in this area you will make profit, this area you will make, but in between you will lose your money if you have missed your break even point. But or else if you adjust your position at time, so this is all your profit in between. So guys, this is the strategy. If you have any question, let me know in comment box. I will make sure to reply, and if you like the video, make sure you like the video as well. So guys, again, if you watching our channel first time, make sure you subscribe our button, and you have watched lots of expiry related videos, that is in Hindi language, and in the English strategy playlist you can watch lots of strategies we have shared with adjustment in English only. So guys, that's it for today. Enjoy your day. Thank you.